Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to change who can call you on Telegram if you're using an Android device. This is a useful privacy setting that allows you to control who can reach you through voice or video calls on the app. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the main menu. From the menu, tap on Settings. Next, choose Privacy and Security from the list of settings options. Scroll down and tap on Calls. Under Who Can Call Me, you'll see three options: Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. Tap the one that suits your preference. If you want to make exceptions, you can use Always Allow or Never Allow to add specific users. Finally, tap the checkmark at the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. You've now successfully updated your call privacy settings on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more simple tech guides like this one.